Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Inside Out. Today we are going to talk about the newly launched jacket from Bike Karate, which is known as Veloce. Now the most important thing that you look for any jacket is the protection part. Now talking about the protection, this jacket offers you level 2 shoulder armors, level 2 elbow armors and a level 1 back armor. All these armors are from D3O. Now talking about D3O, D3O is the world's best armor making company. These are the most comfortable armors. No brand beats the comfort of these D3O armors. Second thing, there's a provision for the chest armor also. सो बेसिकली इसका मतलब है कि अगर आपको चेस्ट आर्मर भी लगाना है जैकेट में तो इसके लिए अलग से पॉकेट्स दी हुई है, आप अलग से सेपरेटली बाय करके इनको अपने चेस्ट आर्मर यूज़ कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट अब्रेशन प्रोटेक्शन, इस जैकेट की जो पूरी चेसी है वो पॉलिस्टर से बनी हुई है, प्लस इट हैज़ गॉट दी कॉर्डरा रीइंफोर्समेंट ऑन ऑल द इम्पैक्ट जोन, जैसे कि आपका शोल्डर और एल्बो में यहाँ पर पूरा कॉर्डरा दिया हुआ है इसमें. Another thing is that it comes with this rain liner. So now इस rain liner का फ़ायदा क्या है? It helps you in protecting from the weather. बारिश हो रही है, आप इसको ऊपर से जैकेट के पहन लीजिए. इट विल इंश्योर कि द वाटर डजंट गेट इनसाइड द जैकेट एंड इट ऑल्सो डबल्स अप एज अ विंड चीटर. नाउ कमिंग टू अदर फैक्टर ऑफ द जैकेट, दैट इज द कंफर्ट. कंफर्ट के लिए इट हैज़ गॉट ऑल दिस 3D mesh panels and mesh panels all across the jacket जो ensure करते हैं that there is maximum air breathability in the jacket to keep you cool in those summer rides. Another thing, you can also adjust the fit as per your body style across your forearms and the waist. It has reflectors all across the jacket which ensures the higher visibility during your night rides. One thing I really liked about this jacket is its comfort, fit and जो इसका weight है. It just weighs 1.6 kgs for a large size of jacket. Now if when I'm wearing this jacket, it doesn't feel like a riding jacket, it just feels like a normal jacket that I'm wearing and going for a ride. Now what kind of a jacket is this? This is a one-stop solution for every riding needs of yours. Whether you want to commute, whether you want to tour or you want to go for Sunday rides with your friends. We will recommend this jacket to anybody who is looking for the maximum comfort and the protection at the same time. This jacket is available in two colors, black neon and black white. It is also available in sizes from small to XXL. In case you want to try out the jacket, feel free to visit our store. Ride safe.